Good morning. It is chocolate tasting time. This is a box of chocolates I picked up at Kilwins. Kilwins is a ice cream shop slash chocolate store. I think it started in Michigan and now it's spread to Missouri and Illinois. There is a shop in Branson, Missouri. There's also a shop in St. Charles, Missouri. So it's definitely like a chain now. They do actually have really good ice cream. I'm not for sure about the chocolate. This is the first time I've bought any of their box of chocolates. I tore off the shrink wrap, and this box of chocolates is called Katie and Cremes. So different flavors of creams covered in milk chocolate and dark chocolate. And this box was $19.99. I already opened it, so it was easier to do since right now I'm one-handed. So I already broke the seal. The chocolates look really good, but I am surprised there is no guide telling me what is what. When I buy from Norman Love, there's always a little booklet that tells me exactly what chocolate is what. So I don't know, maybe they're all just the same cream inside. So these are like a little darker chocolate. Those are milk chocolates. This is a white chocolate. They do look pretty good, and they're actually pretty big size. Definitely like a 2-biter chocolate. All right, so the first one, I'm just gonna start with a regular milk chocolate that looks like milk chocolate. So I'm not for sure if these are all vanilla creams or if it's an assortment. Like I said earlier, there's no guide and the little ingredient list is not very clear. So this is just a vanilla cream. That's good. That's chocolate, it's good. But definitely nothing special. I know it's bad. It's really good chocolate. But it's not like, oh my God. This is like if you bought a box of chocolates from Walgreens. A little disappointing. You know when you go to Walgreens in the chocolate aisle and there's like Russell Stovers and I don't remember what the other brands are, but there's always boxes of chocolates that you can buy. Not just Valentine's Day. They have them all year round for like guys who want to buy their girlfriends treats or whatever. Oh, they're good chocolate, but I don't know if it's $19.95 worth of chocolate. All right, let's try a dark chocolate. Okay, so this is a milk truffle style cream in the middle. Fudgy, tastes like fudge in the middle. I mean, I'm glad I tried it, but this isn't a brand I would repeat. You know, on a side note, I ran out of Dr. Pepper. I don't know if you guys have been paying attention, but soda prices are just not going on sale as much as they used to. So I'm out of Dr. Pepper, and I refuse to pay $5 a case. So until I see a sale, I'm stealing my husband's Coke. And then I add cherry syrup, so making my own little cherry Coke. Let's see. Let's try this white chocolate. And I can tell it's gonna have a fudge filling. Fudge filling. It's interesting, it's not the same filling as the dark chocolate I just tried. So there's definitely an interesting variety. This is more milk chocolatey. So I do like how they're all different. But not the best chocolate I've ever had. I'm just looking, trying to decide which one to try next. Essentially, they're like truffles. All right, let's see. One more. And that would make it 4. I don't know if I can eat more than 4 right now. I don't know. I want to make here. This one has a dark chocolate accent. So maybe that will be different than the first chocolate that was vanilla filling. And it is. Oh my goodness. Okay, this one's actually good. If the whole box were these, I would love it. This is why I wish that there was a guide. Am I missing a guide somewhere? No guide in the lid. This is a maple. This is a maple cream. No guide in the bottom of the box. Even when you buy like a $20 box of chocolates at Walgreens, there's usually a guide that tells you what is what. So that's one thing that Kilwins did wrong. This is maple cream and it is really, really good. I do love maple flavored candy, so this was a nice surprise. I'd buy a box of just these. It doesn't look maple. Maple colored are usually a little more tannish brown, but it's definitely maple. I don't know. Should I do 5? Should I do one more? I'm sorry, I have allergies. All right, I'll try one more. And then I'm gonna get sick. 5 chocolates. I haven't had lunch yet. This is probably gonna end up being my lunch. No decorations, just plain. I need a drink first. All right, what is this gonna be? Mystery chocolate. Oh. Back to a vanilla cream. Which I do like the vanilla creams, don't get me wrong. But definitely that maple was the best. All right, that's it. I ate 5. How many was there? 24? 18. There's 18 chocolates. So for $20, it's not bad. I paid way more for chocolate. Kilwins. I definitely recommend their ice cream. Maybe not recommend their box of chocolates. So anyway, thanks for watching. Please hit the like and subscribe buttons, and I will see you later.